तो कहते हैं नेगेटिविटी की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, कैसे ओवरकम करें, राइट? एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. You're going to have more sessions with other chefs, but you'll never be able to ask these personal, sensitive questions in a way, because I have gone through a lot and I feel that to be breaking records, you need to resist the most too. The sweetest fruit in the world is dates, but dates also burn in the sun the most. You will be able to create this. That is when you know that you're going to progress. When you can take this negativity and use it as a force. Someone told me that Indian cookbooks, a white guy, I think I did mention that on Shah Rukh Khan's TED Talk, that he said that the Indian will always be 1/10 of the value in the world. Like if somebody is getting $100,000 to start a job, an Indian might get just $10,000. That thing had hurt me so much because I was trying to write a book. It was negative. It was like, I can't change my heritage. I can't change my skin. But the best beauty of me is my heritage and my skin. So negativity was there. I could have given up and says, no, I'm not going to write a book because it's always going to be that $2 book and $4 book. I said, okay, let it be a promise to me, to the universe. I'm going to write the world's most expensive book. And I'm going to give it to the world leaders where no chef in the world had ever access to. Negativity ली और धक्का मारा मुंह पे. And everybody kept selling Indian food is $6 a curry and buffet and everything. मैंने कहा done. दुनिया का सबसे महंगा मील मैं ही बेचूंगा. I sold a meal on May 14th, 2012. If you can Google it, at the Rubin Museum, with the meal was $39,000 per person. Out of negativity. Out of negativity. I could have been fallen apart and said, नहीं, दुकान खोलते हैं, सस्ता खाना बेचते हैं, बहुत पैसा बनाएंगे. नहीं, मुझे दिखाना था यहाँ खड़े होके वेट कर रहा था इस दिन की मैं. जब मैं बोलूँ कि it is all here. This is the most powerful thing. It's all here. I could have taken all those terms and being degraded for my heritage and my cooking skills of being Indian and not speaking proper English, or I can take that and find a way to break the world records. पैसा कमाना इतना मुश्किल नहीं होगा, you'll realize. इज़्ज़त कमानी बहुत मुश्किल होगी. पैसा बहुत लोग कमा लेंगे आप में से. बेंचमार्क जो रिकॉर्ड नहीं बनाएगा, वो बीज बनने के लिए जलना भी पड़ेगा सबसे ऊपर, बिना पानी के, बिना मिट्टी के, वो सड़क, वो दीवार के अंदर, वो भी करना पड़ेगा. पर जब वो पेड़ निकलेगा ना वहाँ से, हर निकलता वो बंदा देख के जाएगा. क्योंकि लोग नहीं फिलॉसफी की तरह सोचेंगे, उसकी जर्नी सबको नहीं पता होगी. बट अब आपको थोड़ा अंदाज़ा हो गया कि इसने कितनी मुश्किलें ठानी होंगी टू ग्रो विदाउट एनी फैसिलिटीज़. दैट्स द पावर. We are not going to let anybody let us down and tell us that because you have different skin color, you can't make it. We can make it, and we can make it better than anybody else in the world. 2005 में पहली बार मैंने अंग्रेजी बोलनी सीखी थी, वो भी नेगेटिविटी की वजह से. नेगेटिविटी मेरे लिए बहुत वर्क करती है. मुझे को बोल देता ये नहीं कर सकते, मैं कहता अरे बाप रे अब तो यही करना. उल्टी गंगा मेरी. We can take one more question. Yes, somebody in the back. Fantastic, sir. What's your favorite dish? Which you've eaten? My favorite dish which I ever made. Oh my God. I can't be biased, but there's a dish, I'm telling you. You know, in the world, majority of the times you will see that most of the restaurants in the world are extremely Punjabi oriented. Extremely. Because Punjabis were also the first immigrants to Canada, to London, to Australia, to US. They did farming, drove cabs, they opened the restaurants. They knew only about chicken tikka masala, saag paneer, dal makhani, tandoori chicken, chicken tikka, tandoori naan, roti, paratha. They just knew about these dishes. So they started making those available to the Western world. But my favorite dish was, I'm telling you, was a dish from Kerala, which is actually a duck stew, which is for Syrian Christians. And if you read my New York Times review, they mentioned that dish. It's a duck which is rendered, and then the sauce is the telly peppers, curry leaves, coconut. That's that simple dish. And people used to go crazy because that got mentioned by the Times, saying that brilliant technique. But I'd learnt it from a Syrian Christian woman in Palghat. It's still very close to my heart. आपको दोबारा से बोलना पड़ेगा.
Sir, first of all, I want to say you that I am a very big fan of you.
Likewise, thank you.
And I have
Same to you.
And I have two questions, sir. From whom did you inspired, and what motivation do you get at the end of the day?
If you guys have noticed my journey, I have never done a repeat project. Never. People say, oh my God, your book is so successful. First day we sold 5,000 copies. Let's do another book exactly the same. No. So my inspiration comes from reinvention. That I need to reinvent constantly. My every project of 50 books which I promised my dad once will be all different. I'm not going to do Indo-Chinese, Chinese-Indo-Indian, Chinese-Chinese, Indian, I'm not going to do that. So my first inspiration is that I have to create always something new. It could be in a form of, because having a voice in two greatest countries in the world, in America and India, I feel I also need to leverage that. So my inspiration comes from keeping my mind extremely open. My latest project in which I've spent my maximum amount of money, it's a movie. I wrote, directed, produced, edited, created a movie because I was so moved by a small incident. So my inspiration comes from anything which I see and that moves me. It can't be just money driven, not for me. And secondly, I think I'm very inspired by my grandmom. Very inspired. She was a brave warrior. I'll tell you a small incident that, which inspired me to make a full museum was unka ek bartan. There was one pot in the house. And I used to be in love with that pot. My grandfather used to tell me the story that during the partition, my grandmother, because all the Muslims were trying to go to Pakistan and all the Hindus were trying to, and this was all happening through my city in Amritsar. And something amazing had happened that my grandmother would nurture so many Muslim girls in my house. Because she said, नहीं, लड़कियों को वहाँ जाके जब घर मिल जाएगा आपको, तो लड़कियों को ले जाना. I'm going to keep them safe in my house. So she used to have hundreds of girls, Muslim girls, in our house, and she'll be a warrior that nobody's allowed to come in the house. And she'll cook in that pot for everyone. She used to only make khichdi because घर में पैसे नहीं थे, खाना भी नहीं था. She used to make khichdi for all these girls. And my father used to say, उन लड़कियों को, उन families को याद भी रहेगा कि नहीं, who was this woman, but I hope you will never forget. He would always tell me. That single pot inspired me to create a $4.5 million museum in Manipal. That single pot. Because I said that story has to remain immortal. Even during this time of hatred, there were people with integrity who only thought of, and even were risking their own family kids, own daughters, because itna jhagda chal raha tha us time pe. But she stood the ground and she only protected the daughters of a country which was soon to become a very challenging relationship. She's saying, I can't let this happen to these girls. So she breaks my heart even today. As I speak, I choke. Thank you.
So I have one question. First of all, a very good morning, sir. My name is Sabha.
Hi, Sabha.
I'd like to thank you from all the GNIHM side to coming here and sharing your wisdom with us. Sir, in our life, we always have two options. Like we reach to a road where there are two lines and it's just one path to choose. So which was the other road for you apart from the cooking? Like apart from being chef, what is the other Vikas Khanna chef which we don't know about? What is your hobby, sir?
Hobby, I'm a writer. But other thing with path I could have chosen was driving a cab in New York. Yeah, because the guys I used to stay with, they were all cab drivers. They were all from Punjab and they were all cab drivers, and they'll say, restaurant में तो पैसे नहीं बनेंगे तेरे, $300 हफ्ते का बनता है, cab चलाते हैं तो दिन का 300 बन जाता है. So you have to make the choice about happiness. सच्चाई बताऊं, I don't know how to drive. That is why I didn't drive cabs. I can only drive in Amritsar because I know every cop, I know everybody, so they don't care. They don't even ask me for my license. But oh, you guys are recording this? Okay. Fine. Now I can't even drive in Amritsar.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir. You know, Michelin Guide has a ritual. They call the chef. They call the chef. So there are few chefs in the world who have the tag, but they individually call every chef. So there was a phone call, and the lady said that she's calling from Michelin Guide. She wants to speak to Chef Vikas Khanna. So my hostess said there's a call for you. I was in the middle of lunch service, and I'm very temperamental and like, typical. तो कहती कि सर मिशलिन गाइड से फ़ोन आपके लिए. If you want to take it, it's your choice. मैं कहा हैं? So I go down and I talk about, in many shows I've spoken about that. It's when she called me, she said that, you know, your path has been groundbreaking for many people in the world and many generations. अब मुझे पता नहीं क्या मिला, मुझे मिला कि नहीं मिला. So my guys are waiting with a champagne bottle. अब वो पूछने के हूँ. मैंने कहा I don't know, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा बोल क्या रही है. I got so nervous, and I remember I went on my knees and I kept saying, thank you Mama and thank you Papa. I repeatedly kept saying, thank you Mama, thank you Papa. And there was a small poster, like poster नहीं, छोटा सा मेरे desk के ऊपर एक कागज लगा हुआ है. If you guys want to note that, you should note it on your phones. This quotation is the most powerful quotation for each one of you. It used to read, I still have that in my wallet. It says, they came to bury me. They came to bury me. They forgot I was a seed. रास्ते में बहुत लोग मिलेंगे आपको who will set you up for failure. Big failure. But you have a great opportunity to have faculties where you can learn from. You have principals, you have access to, you have great kitchens you can learn from. That is going to help you, that seed to grow. So you always got to remember that there are a lot of things working in your favor, except for that one thing which is not working in your favor. And I must tell you, there's only one loss in this life. I've lost millions of dollars and I've also made millions of dollars. There was only one loss in my life which was irreversible. That was death of a parent. So one thing I can tell you, do not follow me. Please take care of them. They are the only thing which is real, which you will have in your success and your failure. Patch up with them when you're angry. Listen to them. Ask them to be happy. Don't be like me. That's the only loss I can tell people. There's no other loss. नौकरी जाएगी नौकरी नहीं मिल जाएगी रेस्टोरेंट बंद होगा नया खुल जाएगा किताबें ये नहीं बिकी नहीं बिक जाएंगी you can everything is reversible except for losing a parent. So I tell you that be strong and be close to them in your success and your failures. Don't be like me.